with Nerva, and she's from Indonesia, and she has special tea here, and she's going to explain about the way that this is produced in Indonesia.
Hello. What we have here is called jamu. Jamu is Indonesian traditional drink that the recipe has been passed down through generations. Every product are sourced from our own plantation, so organically, and we help the farmer to actually do the right farming. And so Jamu has a lot of potentials in promoting the health benefits. So it's been passed down also the recipe through my ancestors and from my late grandmother. And so we have different kind of extraction from the herbs and spices that we have in our garden. So like this is the liquid extraction, and then we can also do the cold pressed drink, and also we do the mixed blends of tisane, and also we do the granulated powder for the herbs and spice.
Granulated oolong tea?
No, it's just the herbs and spices, but not the oolong tea. So we blend other leaves like pandan leaves,
Panda?
pandan, and
Tell us
also
what that is and some of the spices.
so pandan is actually aromatic leaves, and there's also kaffir lime leaves.
Kaffir.
Lime leaves,
Lime
yes,
leaves.
yes, and we also do like basil leaves.
Basil.
Yep, and bay leaves. So there's a lot of what do you call that? Like very exotic.
Exotic.
Yeah, exotic plants of the archipelago of Indonesia. So we are like we consist of lots of different islands. So each island has different strength of the soil because we are surrounded by the ring of fire. So we have very different soil, and the jamu, the ingredients is basically harvested in a very specific way that we need to have them age, so then we can have the benefits in a maximum capacity and best way.